the project is not going as per schedule, the cost is going high, the budget is overshot. Is these things seems familiar? Yes. Hi, this is Santosh Panda. Today I am going to tell you why you are listening these things and what is the basic to overcome these issues. Let's understand first what are the stages of the project. The first stage is initiation, second stage is planning, third is execution, fourth is monitoring and control, fifth is closure. The second, third, and fourth, these are interconnected. There is no specific boundaries that one will close and the other will start. At different stages, all these stages overlap in between. So, before going to actual execution, we start with planning. Once the execution is there, everybody will start seeing the results. Like if you are going to start a building erection, then there are a lot of back planning. But once the structure is getting erected, then only the results seems. But before erecting the structure, we have to be very much sure how to erect the structure, what are the resource requirements, what are the preparations we need. So, the day of erection, you will be able to properly do the erection. So, to do your work properly, you have to do the back planning. If you have done the planning poorly or wrongly, it is definite that your results will be not as per the requirement. Then what is planning? Planning is the process to find out what to be done, when to be done, how to be done, and what are the resources required. If all these things are in line, your execution will be in line. There are more than 80% chances that the execution will be line, and finally your client will be happy, your project will be in budget, in within schedule, and your employer will be happy. So planning is the most important part of any project, which has to be done with all which has to be done with all due diligence. You don't have to just think, okay, planning, this is a paperwork. It's not like that. Planning, you are putting all your ideas, all your thought process to the scope of the work so that it can be executed properly. For example, you have been asked to do the erection of a building. In planning stage, you decide how to start, where to start, how much is the volume of work, what are the equipments and manpowers required, what are the timeline required. If you will not decide the all these parameters, we will just give the client, okay, sir, it will be done. But finally, it will not be done because either it is uh, low, it will fail due to low resources, or it will fail due to improper starting, or it will decided to have less time, which actually it will not take. So every construction person has to understand the planning part and has to execute the planning part. If you are really interested to know how to plan your project, then let's connect. We will take it forward step by step how to plan your project to success. Thank you. Hope you have gained some basics. Further, we will discuss in the further discussions. Thank you.